Alright, so here I am at the country club connector. There's a trail on this side, party time, and then there's a bunch like golfing ballerina, cemetery, something or other. There's like 4 or 5 trails over on that side of the country club. And there's this connector here that we can use to get to like double bogey and stuff. So I'm just going to show you that because it's not on Trail Forks. I'm going to put it up. Well, by the time you see this, I hope that it will have been approved and on Trail Forks because it's not on there yet. So when I go home and I've done the mapping of it, then yeah, it should be there. So I'll show you that little connector, and here we go. So right now my shifting is really janky, going from like 1.3 to 1.2 and 2 to 1, but I'm gonna try this anyway. Well, here's the climb anyway, or the walk for me right now. right, you can take that path down or hang right here. If you go down the other path, you will be doing double bogey in reverse unless you switch. Used to be a part of double bogey on Trail Forks called double bogey no island, but the powers that be decided, even though the island is not accessible a lot, that they would still have it be double bogey, and they wouldn't have a second trail of double bogey on Trail Forks, even with a different name and an extension. So there you go. That's the connector, country club connector, from country club area to double bogey and gun run and all that stuff. So with that, we'll see you another time for another raw ride.